I don't know about anybody else, but everything I see on YouTube lately is all about the AppleVision. The AppleVision seems to be everywhere, and I thought, since I happen to have an AppleVision sitting right here, even though it's in a state of disrepair, you'd all probably love to see the inside of an AppleVision and every wonder that it can bring. So I've already done the hard work. I got all the plastic off, which, by the way, is incredibly brittle and hard to take apart without it falling apart. But you really can get in here and see why everybody's in love with the picture quality that AppleVision can get us. Look at that Sony Trinitron tube in there. It doesn't get better than the Sony Trinitron, I don't think. There's a beautiful tube inside of our AppleVision. I certainly can see why everyone is raving about this image quality. We can get down in here. Kind of an interesting setup they've got on here. Adjustments all on. Look at the full neck is all covered up. This whole thing, I don't know a whole lot about CRTs, but I'm gonna dabble in it just for a little fun. But we go down in here, we can see, I don't really see anything leaking in there. I actually think somebody might have recapped it at some point long ago. But it doesn't turn on right now, so at least you get to see the inside of the AppleVision that everybody keeps talking about so much on the internet. Okay, I understand there's a reasonably good chance that you clicked this video thinking you were getting a different AppleVision than my beautiful little AppleVision 1710 right here. But I can't help the fact that Apple reused the name. Hope you enjoyed maybe a little bit of sarcasm. If you enjoyed the video, you might check out some of the other ones. It's been a little fun out here in my blue barn, just going through some old technology and reliving some things from long ago. So thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye.